Gorgeous specimen of a blue whale that we just found.
Blue whale.
Beautiful, enormous
It's
thing.
dead.
It's dead. Have the expression, but it's dead.
We haven't got much time before the tide comes in, so I say we just rip right in.
Get right in.
Get right in there. Get right in there.
Just trying to get through all of this blubber is just almost impossible.
It almost
really.
is. Oh,
there we
God.
go.
Well done. Now, here's an unusual part of the whale, is that it starts off with an empty cavity.
Nothing in there at all.
Nothing in there, but you'd be a fool to think that was it.
My
Let's look
God.
at this. The spinal column.
The
coming
spinal
out.
column. It's a very, very long part of the whale here.
It is.
But immediately behind it.
You're gripping onto the brain there. The
Exactly,
brain.
I was just about to say,
Have you got
Matty, we're just starting to get onto the cerebrum, which
now
is the whale brain.
This really is something
Now,
special.
The brain is a huge part
It's
of the whale.
a giant.
I mean, I could just keep going
You can keep
for
going.
minutes
Still
and
brain.
minutes.
Still
All of
brain
this,
here.
almost 90% of this whale's body mass is brain.
But that doesn't mean that it's clever, Sam, does it?
No.
Much of it is used for
Quite
diving,
stupid often.
diving,
I mean, I can just
parts of the
pull
brain.
it all onto me. All of this
Look
is
at
brain.
that. Absolutely covered in brain. Now
God.
if I really sort of got in there, trying to see
What we've shown you is that we can actually both fit inside the brain. It's of that scale.
that's one of the main points about blue whale.
So if we just pause for a minute, Hattie, and have a look at all of the different lobes inside this whale's brain,
yeah.
because it's hugely complex.
It's a hugely complex organism, is this whale's brain. And did you know it's got a second brain?
A second brain?
But this one is the main one, as you can see, quite expansive.
Gosh,
So over here, we've got the sort of, the lobe that deals with emotion, very small. The whales are emotionally dead, not really there.
Pretty much.
Not all there emotionally. But that's alright, because this bit, this is for fishing.
It's the fishing lobe,
It's the
guys.
fishing lobe. And as you can see, quite a massive area there.
Because these whales really do need to catch a lot of fish.
They've got a giant body, as you can see, and giant internal organs which they need to keep working.
Oh,
Quite
God.
convenient.
I mean,
for
you
them.
could almost just crawl right away inside this
Yeah.
whale. Just see how much you can get inside it. It's enormous.
Absolutely, it's really enormous. So if we just like sort of, let's pull back these large flats of flesh. It's
those
really
holes.
gonna take a lot. It's gonna take a lot of equipment to get that rolled
We just try and peel it back.
If we just
So what part of the whale are we reaching
We're
now?
coming to it now. We're coming to it now. We're coming to the vocal cord, the larynx.
The larynx,
Here
my
it is.
favourite part
It's
of the
my
whale.
favourite part of the whale. So if you think about this, this is how the whale communicates: opening, closing, opening, closing. Imagine when
Gosh.
that's open, your whole head could fit in there.
So I think you should do a demonstration. I mean,
So
look at that.
really quite expansive.
Like a kind of butterfly effect, really.
A butterfly. Think of that working away, working away, working away, working away, and that's how it communicates.
That's how it screams.
Okay. So, now further down, we're sort of getting to the esophageal tube,
Esophageal tube.
and that is, look at that.
God, look at this, Hattie. We're really having to dig right
We're
into
having
the
to
whale.
get right into it here, but if you sort of, let us spread out some of the brain, you'll be able to see the vast scale
My God.
of what we've dealt with so far.
All of this that we're crawling in is just innards.
It's just fucking whale innards, the inside of a blue whale.
You see how much of it there is. It's just vast.
It's vast. Now, if we take a look in the esophagus, we can see what kind of meals this whale has been having. What can we see in there?
Now this whale has been tucking into some tuna. I can see loads of squid in here.
I can see that.
Loads of squid.
Loads. Oh my god, loads of squid. In fact, that's what's probably taking up a lot of the weight of this whale.
Yeah,
apart from
precisely.
all of this innards as well,
Yeah.
which is obviously.
I mean, there's so much in it.
So
You could wrap it around
if we
yourself,
just-
really.
If we just sort of maybe cloaked you in it, you just see sort of the vast scale of how how much innards there is. There are so many innards. Too many innards. Too many to bear.
Too many innards or not enough innards?
We don't know. Let's find out. Is there more in there?
Right, so I'm going to shake off these innards.
Hang on.
And we're going to dive deep
Keep
for some
going.
more.
We've got to really break
If I pull on the body,
oh.
you pull on the innards.
Yeah. Oh. It's not easy. You don't have to fight. Hang on now. Hang on. We're coming to the thick muscle.
My God.
The thick ring from the esophagus to the stomach. The thick muscle
And
ring.
you can
the
see just
diaphragm.
here how dark the muscle
It's
is.
become very
And
thick.
that is because in the diaphragm you've got a lot of really dense oxygenated air. That is because this whale breathes through its diaphragm.
Oh, incredible.
It doesn't have lungs, it's just got a diaphragm that lifts the rest of its organs.
It also has a role in lifting the food down to the stomach. When it retracts, it causes a vacuum
Exactly.
from the mouth.
So if we can
into
just
the
enact
stomach.
that, you imagine there's food in here, it's going to lift up the food and then it's going to contract it right down. So if we imagine that Hattie is some of the whale's food, if you just come forward.
So if I was to come...
Imagine Hattie is a squid.
I could come towards the whale.
Just approaching the whale.
Sensed me, and then here it comes.
Alright. Now that was a very good demonstration, Hattie, of just how effective the whale's diaphragm is at engulfing prey.
So
I think, if anything, we should get to the far end of this whale and find out what is near the... Which end did we start at?
we started at the head. So
Near
we're
the
nearing the
posterior.
tail.
Yeah.
We're nearing the tailbone, and there's something great I want to show you in the tail if we can possibly pull out. I think we've got enough time. The tide is coming in.
Yeah, it's fine. I'm just going to get my special tool to remove the larynx, which is actually near the tail of the whale.
If we just, Sam, if we just take our time here, because there's a lot of intricate veins in this area of the whale. We're entering the sort of venous area, the venous area, as it's known. We slowly, let's take some of that out.
Really delicately.
Really gently, just take some of that out. Just getting close now. Oh, Sam. Can you see that down there?
I can see. Oh, that was just amazing.
Isn't that? Do you, right, if we could try and, I don't know if you can.
Can you see?
Down there. If you give me a helping hand, you could just get that out. Pull that.
All the way in.
There it is.
Amazing.
Now that is really important for the whale's tail. So you imagine that's the joint in the middle. These two, if I can just around these two
So I'm
plates.
just going to put that there.
You see these two plates, and imagine that in the middle of these two plates, and the whale will inflate the plates and deflate them.
Yeah, so this
as
is all
it travels.
really strong muscle here,
It's all strong
propelling
muscle.
that whale forward.
And propelling it towards the prey.
Exactly.
So, if we just like to, so that's the last of it then, that's the last of the insides, but really, let's get an idea of the scale of this
Oh
thing.
my God.
Really,
Just
this
look
is
at
an
all of this.
unprecedented experience to see the full extent of this.
I mean, what we've got here really is 90% brain. but also
90% brain.
A good proportion of it is diaphragm, and following that, posterior muscle to propel the whale. And what we've got here is the whale's skin, and it's just a fantastic. The skin is the largest organ in a whale, as with a human, and we can just get inside it.
You just feel that muscular wall of the whale. You can almost imagine how it swims.
Via my demonstration,